Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. First, yes, I know my hair has gotten really long. Everybody says it. I haven't had a haircut in over a year because I have hair trauma. But anyway, I'm fighting a migraine. I really wanted to get started on a project today, and I can't do it. It's starting to ebb, so I'm off the couch, but my head, oh my God, you guys. I slept in. I think that's the problem. When I don't get up at 5:30 in the morning, if I sleep till 7, I have a headache. So I've been dealing with the headache all morning. All morning. And I want to get my jacquard project started. And of course, I'm like, it ain't happening. It's a gorgeous day out today. It's like 70 degrees here, finally. And everyone in the neighborhood is mowing the lawn, dethatching their lawns. There are chainsaws going. So consequently, my head is throbbing. Like for real, just like, just imagine my head going. So I decided to go into my office where it's quiet. The windows are closed. It is quiet in here. And I am going to clean. Because I need to get a big project in here. I actually was able to go into my garage and make a path to the back wall where this project was sitting. So the project that I had in mind for this is now in my living room waiting to come in here. And I wanted to get started on it today, but I just, y'all, like I can't put makeup on. I can't get pretty. I can't get to the place where I need to be to do a professional job for jacquard, and I'm not going to do it. So I apologize. I need to clean. I need to get this stuff gone. So I've got a Christmas craft box that's still sitting back here. I don't know where it's going to go. I don't know what I'm going to do. I need a shop. That's the truth. I need a room that's bigger than this. I have my eye on a 30 by 50 pole shed. Trying to figure out how you can get that with no money. I may have to sell pictures of my feet. Oh, I really need a spot that's mine. Because there's just too much stuff. And I need the craft stuff. I need the products and the paintbrushes and all the stuff to do projects. I mean, the bolts of fabric, I have more in the basement. Oh, I'm telling you, the bolts of fabric have gone out of control. I need a giant barrel, and I need to put the bolts of fabric in it and have a spot for them. You know what I mean? It's not a joke. It's that as you grow in anything, like you're going to grow out of your facilities. And I have more than grown out of this room. It's not just a mess. It's that it's a mess because there's literally nowhere for this to go. Nowhere. At this point, All the Christmas stuff is still in my dining room. They're in bins and they're stacked to the ceiling, but they have nowhere to go because there's nowhere for them to go. I just grown out of everything. So I need a shop. And do not suggest my husband's shop. He has a career out there. I cannot share a shop with him. He has giant trucks that come in. When you see me out in his shop, it's because there is no truck in there. But there are massive semis that come in there for graphics, and, you know, we can't work together. So there have been multiple people in the comments who are like, you should just go out and have your husband share a shop with you and all this stuff. I know when you see me out there, it looks very empty, but it's not always very empty. It's usually not empty. And that's why I don't get to spend a lot of time out there. I need a building like his for myself. And he needs to have his space. Trust me, it's a need, not a want. He's got to have his space. Anyway, so I've got a headache. I'm dealing with it. And I need to clean. So I have a couple pieces that I'm getting rid of in here for good. Consolidating down. And I should be able to clear out. This area. So the Christmas craft box. I'm gonna try and get it in the garage. I'm petting myself because I'm all stressed out about the fact that to get it out in the garage will be a project in itself. Oh, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. It's going to be great. I am thrilled about the project I've got coming in here. I will tell you a little bit about it. It's something that I have owned for 30 years, for more than 30 years. It is a piece that was in my first apartment, and my husband actually bought it at a garage sale. My husband actually went to a garage sale. And so I've owned this piece for more than 30 years, and I'm very excited to give it a new lease on life and put it back in my house. Potentially, that's my goal, is that it will look beautiful again, and I'm going to want it back in my house. So that's the plan, Stan. That's all I'm giving you, is that I'm keeping the piece that we're going to paint blue. Because, again, blue is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite. This blue is so gorgeous. And it's going to hopefully rescue this piece from this. I've had it for 30 years. The person before me probably had it since the 1960s. And that's all I'm going to say. We'll talk more about it when it comes in here. But today, I'm going to purge this room. We're purging. I'm so sick to my stomach from my head right now. But I've got a lot of really great ideas for all the stuff in the card box. Some of you have emailed me. Some of you posted in the comments. Some of you I've seen in person. Naomi had some ideas. And I have some ideas. I have a lot of ideas. So we're going to take some of your ideas. We're going to take some of my ideas. We're going to take some of all of it, put it together. We're going to create some gorgeous home decor from the Jacquard box of goodies that we got. But today, today is a cleaning day. Maybe tomorrow we'll be working on my project. Okay, first things first, I need to get a couple pieces out to, we have a trailer here right now from the neighbors that is going to the dump. And I have a few pieces that I want to get rid of that need to go to the dump. So I'm going to get those out right now because he's here. I know I'm not in the best of moods. I don't look great. I don't feel great. It's not a high energy moment for me. We're going to get through it. So my husband dropped in to say hi. I got a big piece out from my back there. And then I had that baggie of moss, the moss. And it's empty. I mean, I used up all the moss, except there was little bits left, like on the bottom that you couldn't use in a project. And they dumped out all over my floor. So I need to take this garbage bag out. And we're going to get this floor open. I figured out where the Christmas bin's going to go. So remember the Doom Pile box over here? It's pretty much empty. So we're going to grab the last bits out of there and put the Christmas bin under there. So it's off my floor space and we'll be able to get the project in. Let me take the garbage out. I am currently standing where the Christmas bin was. Yes! It's gone. It's under there. So I can still get to it. It's not on the top shelf anymore. And I have the bin in front of me. Not the bin, it's a box. Just has a few little wood blocks and crap in it that I'm just gonna burn. Like literally, that's a piece of glass. And I want the glass. Wood blocks. I don't need them. They can go. It can go. Gonna need that though. Not the size that counts. It's after 5 o'clock and my headache is finally starting to go away. And Victoria brought me Starbucks. I popped dinner in the oven, but look at this. That's a toolbox. That's just a toolbox and a can of paint, but I'm going to organize a couple little things here. And then I'm going to be done. I'm going to be able to actually get my project in here. So, yay. Getting that Christmas bin out of here was life-changing. So the two stools that I used to like set projects on top of are right over here. There is a crate on this wooden crate right here. Has like tools and stuff that I picked up. We'll be good. We'll be able to get that project started. Margot, come here, please. Don't come in. Sit right there. Come here. Don't walk away from me. Come here. Sit. Sit. Now listen to me. You don't need to bark. No one's hurting you. It's just Daddy and their little critters. No, come back here. Did you, Margot? Did I seem like I was done talking to you? Get over here. Sit down. Sit down. Not lay down. But that works too. I know you're protecting the house and you do a darn good job. But we're okay, all right? That's Dad. And we're fine. All right? I love you. Go play. Go ahead. Go play. You can go. Margo, you can go. That was some pouting. That was some puppy pouting. Did you see the pouting? Oh my gosh. Anyway. Tomorrow, we're going to start the project. I'm very excited because, as I said, I have had this piece for over 30 years, and I'm excited to get it to the level of being able to put it back in my home. It was something that my husband bought at a garage sale for our very first apartment. It was in our first house. Obviously, our furniture was just run down, beat up. You know, when you get your first home, that's what it is. And that's just the way it is. And then you upgrade as you go. So this is one of those pieces that I'm in love with, though. It is a very good quality piece of furniture, even though it was used in secondhand. So I can't wait to get it in here, give it some love, and put it back into my home. That's how much I love this piece. And I am relying on you, Jacquard, to make that happen. All right. I love you guys. I'm sorry it was a terrible video. The migraine has gotten the best of me, but it's almost over. And I'm just going to go to sleep in a minute. That's how I feel. I feel like there's not much left. Like when the migraine goes away, I have to sleep. So I'm just getting tired now. This will help a little bit, but this will get me through dinner. And then I'm going to go to bed real early so I can get up real early tomorrow and we can start our project. All right. Talk to you later. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.